I just bought the Pet Pro Protect 2 times Revolution Bissell Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. First, let's take it out and assemble. So we open the box. We have inside a manual. This looks like the handheld brush for the upholstery. Then we have all the various parts which we'll figure out as we go along. So this is how it came in the box. Some assembly is required, so we'll go ahead and start the assembly. There we have the actual cleaner. Then we move across there the hose. And this one here seems like the water container, the handheld brush, and then this one here is the handle. So we'll begin putting the pieces together. Step 1, put in the handle and the base. So here we have the handle. The first thing is to insert this into position. This is the front and this is the back. You'll know because there's a screw kind of thing in there that has to fit in here. So you put it in, push all the way down till you hear click. So this is the carry handle which we will install now. So we line up the carry handles with the holes to fit these hooks and the middle hole to go into there. So we just line it up nicely and press the click. Once it's all lined up, just press it in until you hear the click. You just lightly press, you'll hear the click. It will just go in. Don't force it, lightly press. There we go. Both sides are in. Now we're going to need to screw here with the Phillips screwdriver. Put in the screw. On top of the handle we have a screw. This is the screw that we will put to hold the carry handle. So we just take this out. So here we have the screw, which we will have to insert in the handle here. You see a hole. You just push it all the way in, and then you take your Phillips screwdriver and tighten. Okay, I'll tilt it up a bit here so that you can actually see the screw. This is the screw where you just turn and tighten. Turn until it stops. This is just to secure the handle. So this is the water tank. We will slide this into place. You'll notice that this is shaped exactly like here. And then we have 3 extensions at the bottom that needs to fit into grooves that are made here. So we just line them all up, and once it's lined up, just press it down. Once it sits into place, you know you're good to go. Here we have the hose. It's pretty long, which is great because you can use it like when you're doing the carpet for the stairs. To attach the hose, we have to lift here up. You open there. So after you lift it up, you'll see it's shaped exactly like this. So all you do is just clip this in. Again, everything just clicks. So it's all attached. And then we attach the top, which is the same thing. You line up the holes there and you just push it in. Now we're all good to go. Your cleaner is all set and ready for use with either your carpet or your upholstery.